Good morning and welcome to NYNJPA Weather, your weather source for the Northern Mid-Atlantic. I'm meteorologist Stephen DiMartino. On the surface map this morning, our coastal low is finally starting to slowly exit into the Atlantic. The low pressure system is quite intense with a 994 millibar low. However, now the storm is what we call vertically stacked. What that basically means is that the upper level low and the surface low are positioned over each other. And as a result, the storm starts to weaken because the air cannot rise and exit. Instead, the storm kind of think of it like a smokestack. The smokestack is capped at the top, and therefore the smoke can't rise. It's forced to sink back down to the surface, and the low pressure center starts to fill. Thus, the weakening low pressure system. Still, we're going to have a threat for some scattered showers. Let's take a look at their latest satellite picture. Well, it's pretty clear that we have clear skies throughout much of New Jersey, southeastern Pennsylvania, and the New York City metropolitan area. These clear skies basically are the result of subsidence between the upper level low and the high pressure center that is over the Ohio River Valley. This will not last throughout the day though. Notice the clouds are over the Great Lakes and parts of the Hudson Valley. Those clouds will eventually sink south within the rotation of this upper level low. And as the atmosphere destabilizes, scattered showers will develop at some locations. This is not a complete, full, widespread rainfall event at all. It's isolated showers, but still there's a threat. So even though it's sunny out right now, be careful because there's still a threat of a few scattered showers, especially over northern New Jersey and the New York City metropolitan area. On the water vapor satellite picture, we can still see clearly a dynamic pattern is in place. Our upper level low is spinning off of the southern New England coast. Notice how we still have plenty of mid-level moisture moving through the northern mid-Atlantic. That's why there's still a threat of a few scattered showers as the atmosphere destabilizes. The air at 500 millibars and 700 millibars is still very cold. And because of that temperature difference, you still have a threat for isolated showers. There is a threat also of even a few snow and sleet pellets mixed into this rain as well. So just keep an eye on that. It could be a little bit of a surprise when you go from sun to snow showers or rain showers. The strong ridge developing over the Tennessee River Valley and the Ohio River Valley will not reach an apex over over the northern Mid-Atlantic. What I basically mean is that this upper level low is basically going to continue to knock down this ridge. And by the time it reaches the northern Mid-Atlantic this weekend, the ridge will actually start to collapse under the influence of a strong trough that is going to be moving east, that is currently over the Rockies and will transition towards the east coast by the middle to end of next week. So really, we're not really expecting much of a warm up here. And in fact, the only thing we're really warming up to is near normal to slightly above normal temperatures. And when I say slightly, maybe a degree or two above normal. Not really a major warm up whatsoever. Sure, we'll return to the 50s, but we should be in the 50s. It's only early November. We're not talking about late November yet. So, in reality, the big warm up is nothing more than a return to near normal conditions. Our coastal storm will exit out into the Atlantic. Our powerful cold front will reach the northern mid-Atlantic by Monday with scattered showers, and the cold air behind that cold front will reach the northern mid-Atlantic sometime around Tuesday and Wednesday, with temperatures falling back to slightly below to well below normal conditions. It's going to be interesting pattern setting up for next week, that is for sure. So for the rest of this week, our coastal low will slowly exit, still through a few showers at least until tomorrow morning. Then high pressure is currently over eastern Canada and St. Lawrence River Valley will continue to build into the northern Mid-Atlantic. Winds will slowly decline from 10 to 20 miles per hour to 5 to 15 miles per hour by tomorrow morning. Winds will no longer be a threat by tomorrow afternoon. And an excellent period of weather can be expected, although a little bit on the cool side, but still not bad at all for November, with clear skies for Friday, Saturday, and much of Sunday, and then our cold front that is currently over the plains will slowly reach the northern Mid-Atlantic by Monday and Tuesday with scattered showers. Overall, though, not a bad period of weather for most of the region. Thank you for using NYNJPA Weather as your weather source for the northern Mid-Atlantic. Have an excellent day and stay safe out there.